How to upload photos to NanoBanana AI. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, search for NanoBanana AI and navigate to its website. After you are in the website, you will see this kind of web interface. Make sure that you are logged in with your account. So NanoBanana is an AI image editing model and it transforms photos using the natural language prompts. In order to upload photos into NanoBanana AI, after you are logged in into your account, here in this interface, if you scroll down, here you will see the AI editor and you can see this prompt engine over here. Here are two different options, image to image and text to image. Make sure that you are selected with the image to image, and here you can see add image option. Tap on this. It'll open up your gallery. You can select the photos from your gallery. Simply tap on it and select the photo. You can provide further prompt into this. After you provide your prompt, you can select this generate now option. It will process your photo and your prompt. Over here you can see this output gallery. Once it completes the processing, it will provide you with the output. You have to wait patiently for that. So that's it. That's how you can easily upload photos to NanoBanana AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.